Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about the unboxing of Mi A1 phone. I bought this from Flipkart at a genuine price of 13,999 only. So as you can see, they have delivered me this product. So guys, before I start this product, if you have a time, please subscribe to my channel first before watching this video. Thanks my friends. So let's start unpacking of Flipkart. So I don't have a cutter right now, so I'm opening this with my genuine knife, kitchen knife only, which I brought it from Amazon. So I'm just going to open it. A little bit of difficulty while opening it. Oh, finally I opened my box. So you can see another box in there. So just another bill from Flipkart only about my product. Packing of this phone is very good, as you can see inside the box. It comes in a bubble wrap polythene so that my phone can be safe. Another small build from Flipkart over the box, which we're not going to use it. Just showing my details around here, as you can see. And that's it from here. So let's start unpacking of the polythene first. Now let me open this box for you. As you can see over our box, it's written Mi A1 Android 1 phone. It's generally said made in India, and the specification of this phone is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB expandable ROM, expandable up to 128 GB, 5.5-inch display, 12 megapixel and plus 12 megapixel rear camera, 3080 mAh lithium battery, quad-core Snapdragon 625, and Android Nougat of 7.12, and it's in black color. So let me unwrap this sticker over here. Let me unwrap another polythene from this box with my knife. Finally it's open now. So let me open up this box from here or from here. I'm having a little bit of difficulty in opening up this box. So with the help of my knife, let me tear up from here. And again I am having some difficulty opening up this box. I don't know how to open up this box. I think I have to cut another one from here also. So finally, and opening up. Yeah, finally I'm able to open up my Mi A1. So let me push it from here. Oh yeah, finally it's here. I hope there's not another packing over here. Finally. So as you can see, brand new Mi A1 phone. Let me pull out from here. Yeah. So you can see Mi A1 phone, brand new. It's very slick. Dual camera from the backside as they advertise, 12 megapixel. And backside, nothing anything new. Just very thin and slim body. So let me check what's another things on the box. So we have a protective cover. So they are giving us a protection cover for the screen. That's good. And what else we have in the box? Oh, for the SIM tray, we have an ejector. Plus we have a charger over here to charge your Mi A1 phone. And just an adapter. There's nothing new in this. Just your regular adapter over here. What else we have got in box? Oh, USB cable to charge your phone, to connect with your system, to transfer the files, and just some instruction manuals for your Mi A1 phone. That's it. So we're going to keep it over here. So let me bring out my brand new MI1 phone. So it's very slick, nothing out there. Let me check it. Let me start this phone. So now I've started my MI1 phone. So welcome screen from MI1. So first time taking this. So from side, as you can see, we have volume up button, volume down button, power up button, and this side we have SIM ejector. Below we can see speaker, your mic, your charging port, and your audio jack as well. So this is speaker. From above we can see your IR blaster and secondary mic. So this phone got two mics over here. So that's very good. So welcome screen from MIA1. I'm going to press start. So insert SIM card. I'm not going to press my insert SIM card right now. So welcome to your MIA1 phone. And it is asking for your account on MIA1. First it's asking for your connectivity. I'm going to connect it with my Wi-Fi. So I'm entering my Wi-Fi now. And it's now get connected. So checking for updates, if there's any new update from my brand new MI1 phone. So this will take a couple of minutes.
डिज़ाइन काफ़ी
Till
अच्छा है.
then, let's
5
check.
इंचज़ की स्क्रीन,
Now
5
screen
पॉइंट
rotation
नहीं,
on.
इसकी स्क्रीन साइज
Now
है
checking info for
5.5.
my phone.
काफ़ी सही है. हैंडी फ़ोन है, हाथ में
It's
पकड़ने
very
से
light phone, very slick
फील
phone.
आता है कि आप एक सॉलिड फ़ोन पकड़े हैं.
So it's like asking for my
स्किप कर
Google
देता हूँ
ID.
इन सब चीज़ों को.
So I'm going to skip this part. And asking for a phone about name about my phone. So I'm going to write it. So unlock with your
फिंगरप्रिंट ऐड करने
fingerprints.
के क्या था ये?
It's asking for my fingerprint
ऐड
print.
फिंगरप्रिंट्स,
So
फिंगरप्रिंट
choose
पैटर्न,
screen lock.
फिंगरप्रिंट प्लस पैटर्न,
Yeah, choose a pattern. I'm going to
पिन
insert
के
a pin.
साथ.
Secure
रिक्वायर्ड टू
startup.
स्टार्ट पिन्स, नो थैंक्स.
Nobody's choose your pin.
कुछ भी एक पासवर्ड रख देते
No,
हैं.
not this pin. Let me enter another pin which I will remember it. And that's it. So find the sensor. Let's start. So I'm going to press my finger till it detects. My finger
डन.
is added over here. So Google services. Next, next,
राइट
next.
टर्म
Couple
एंड
of more
कंडीशन.
instructions.
नेक्स्ट.
Instructions for my service. Anything
ऑल
else?
सेट.
Not required. So adding finishing touch.
ये देखिए,
So this is the
अपने
first
वाले
look
फ़ोन के
of
साथ.
brand new MI phone as it will start. So from top
लेकिन फुल
is again
अपडेट्स कुछ
checking for
एप्लीकेशंस वगैरह
updates
डाउनलोड कर
from
रहा
Play
है ये.
Store. I think a
गूगल
couple of
प्ले
apps
स्टोर
were
से.
getting updated automatically.
स्कैन
So
देखते हैं इसे.
camera, let me check about camera. So let me brought my other phone from the table to over here. So for my MI to an Apple. So let me take a picture of this Apple phone.
देख सकते
So
हैं इसका.
very good clear camera. So dual camera is definitely working over there. Very clear photo. Also you can see in dim light. So that's about the camera. Let me
इंटरफेस
go
फ़ोन के.
to from top to where. Let me open menu. So menu is overall look like Motorola phone. The same menu we can see in Motorola phone as well. Let me go to setting about phone. So this is all the stats about the phone.
एंड्रॉयड 7.1 मॉडल नंबर, ये स्टेटस.
Status. This is the menu.
तो
This is the
ये था
phone.
मेरा अभी तक का वीडियो. इसका मैं एक फीचर वीडियो बनाऊंगा जिसमें
We can
इसकी
furthermore customize according to
स्पेसिफिकेशन
ourselves.
और इसका
So till then, so next time I'm
इसका
going to
नेक्स्ट वीडियो
bring you
बनाऊंगा.
another video about my unboxing about another
ये
product.
भी हम देखेंगे.
So till then, purchase this
नेक्स्ट
from
वीडियो
the
में
below
मिलते हैं.
link.
चलिए.
Okay, bye guys.